Hello there, Mark here with Aligned Adventure. I've been decided to make a video on a 24-hour fast. Stacy and I have been experimenting with 14 to 16 hour fasts with a lot of success. And so pushing fasts in the scientific community says that if you get to the 24 hour mark, you can increase your HGH levels from 1,500 to 2,000%. And HGH, the human growth hormone, is amazing for life longevity and as well as, muscle growth. A long list of other things. But I'm going to put it to the test. I'm going to extend my fast to eating only once a day for the next week, and we're going to see what happens. So hopefully this video answers some questions for you if you're curious about fasting, and it answers some questions for me because I'll see the results in my own body and see what happens.
So today we're at day 1. I'm only going to be eating once a day for the week while doing HIIT training in the morning and stretch training at night, just to see what happens. 39 and a half. 13. 30. 34 and a half. 21. And 21. This one's at 13. It's a slight imbalance in my calves, but very, very small. Okay. But yeah. So basically, we're going to be consuming water and tea, but only eating for 1 hour a day.
Here we are doing a breath exercise. The intent is to drop the CO2 in our body, so controlled hypervention for 30 breaths. And then we go on the exhale into a cardiovascular exercise. In this case, it's going to be push-ups. And now on the exhale, so with no air in the lungs, we go into push-ups. So without breathing, we're doing as many push-ups as we can until we feel the desire to breathe. And now we take a deep breath in and hold for at least 15 seconds. This inhale is really important to replenish the regular balanced levels in our body of CO2 and oxygen. And then we let go and move on with our day. We're going to have some tea. Now we're at the high intensity interval training part of the video. 10 exercises, 1 minute each round, 20-second rest at high intensity. Okay, so just finished day 1 workout of the HIIT training. It definitely didn't make it all the way through, but this is the workout. You can see it here. This one. So we did jumping jacks, mountain climbers, hinge squats, burpees, windshield flares, split squat, clap push-ups, squat jumps, reverse elbow push-ups, and V-ups. 1 minute duration on each exercise, 20-second rest. Obviously, some stuff I wasn't able to quite do for the whole minute, but just take a quick breather and then get back at it and get as many reps as you can inside that minute. That's what I'm working on. Oh my goodness. And today's day 1, so hopefully we make a lot of progress by the end of the week. Okay, so we're at the meal for day 1. It's just about 5:30. On Monday, and this is what I eat in a day. So fried rice and vegetables, pancakes and eggs, pineapple juice, and tea. Oh, and dragon fruit. That's what Stacy eats. But so yes, it's actually been 24 hours just about since I ate last, and I honestly feel fine. So I'm optimistic that this is going to be a relatively smooth week and not too much pain or anything. So I'm looking forward to seeing the results. So just finished eating the first meal. It's now 17:51. Can't see that. Didn't work out well. But anyways, I didn't explain what was in the pancakes. So the pancakes are banana pancakes with egg, flaxseed, and cinnamon. Simple yet delicious and nutritious. And then we got pineapple juice, and then the fried rice with mixed vegetables, and there's egg in there also. And then just 2 cups of fried eggs. So yeah, all that's left today is a stretching routine and some meditation breathing. And we'll do it all again tomorrow. So this is my basic stretching routine that I do every day. It involves a lot of PNF, a lot of breathing while stretching, some massage while stretching, a lot of techniques that I've learned from a lot of different inspirations that I've kind of merged together into a quick stretching routine that's given me a lot of success really quickly. If you'd like to know more, or I should do a video on it, please let me know in the comments below. Hello, so here we are. It is Monday morning, so it's been 1 week since I've been eating once a day and doing some HIIT training and stretching. So we're gonna see what the results are. So let's check it out. We're at 40 1/4. My left bicep is 13. Right bicep is 13. So no change there. 31 around the waist. 34.5 around the hips. 21.25 on the left leg. 21.25 on the right leg. 13.25 on the left leg. And just over 13 on the right leg. So again, still a slight imbalance in the calves. From what I can tell, that's not the largest difference in the world, but I don't know, how do I look? Is it difference because of fat loss? Is it difference because of muscle loss or muscle gain? I don't know. However, we will go into how I'm feeling in a brighter environment. Okay, so here we go. The first thing is the measurements. Was there a difference? And well, here are the beginning measurements, and here are the ending measurements. So as you can see, there is no difference whatsoever. I mean, nothing that can't be explained by something as simple as bloating or whatnot, or different times of the day, maybe by an hour. Like, I can't see a difference in the measurements, which means I didn't lose or I didn't really gain. But how do I feel? I feel great. I'm just as strong. I could still muscle up the same. Push-ups, I can still do one-arm push-ups, no problem. My workouts got actually easier, so I had to push them harder. So yeah, so you can't see any negative impacts yet. I mean, with any working out, you're gonna see stronger. So it's like I can feel that difference. Balance is great. And yeah, hunger wasn't really an issue. By the time 5 o'clock came around when I went to go start cooking, I wasn't like desperately waiting for 5 o'clock to come around. It was just like, oh yeah, it's 5, I gotta go cook now. And then yeah, so no problems there. However, it has only been 1 week, and seeing as I'm doing so well and feeling so good, I'm gonna push this for a month. So another 3 weeks, I'm going to check in again and see if any progress has been made then. I will be adding some additional strength training and see if we can actually get a difference in some of the measurements. But I will let you know come a month's time.